Okay guys, let's solve this expression. While solving this, do not solve it in this way by saying 7 times 5 and 7 times 2. That is the wrong way to solve this. So while solving this, we are going to make use of the rule of operation, where we have pen thus. Here P is parenthesis, while E is exponential, D is division, M multiplication and addition and subtraction. So while solving this, we are going to solve everything inside here first before any other thing. So we will go by saying 7. This minus this will give us 3 divided by 3 plus 7. So here the next thing we have here is division, and we know that this means multiplication. All right, that is 7 times 3 divided by 3 plus 7. All right, so we are going to go by saying 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So we have 7 times 1 plus 7, right? So here we are going to have again multiplication before addition. So go by saying 7 times 1, 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 14. So here in this expression, the right answer here is 14.